Using estimation and area models to divide. Donut. All right, we are using multiples of 10. Multiples to break down the number 13. We are trying to figure out, can 13 divide into 728? Well, here we go. We got 10 gives us 130. 20 gives us 260. 30 gives us 390. 40 gives us 520. 50 gives us 650. And 60 gives us 780. So we're doing 728. And we see that 728 is found between 650 and 780. Which one can I use to subtract from? I'm going to use 650. When you subtract, you get 78. 78, 13 times 6 is 78, 0. The answer is 56. So now let's fill out the information in part 1. What is 13 multiplied by first? It is 50. What equation in the area model shows this? It is 13 times 50 equals 650. Why do you subtract 650 from 720? Because it is the closest divisible number, or let's say multiple, of 13 to 728. What is the second partial quotient? Well, the second partial quotient was the number 6. So this was my second, and this was my first. Voila! It only took us 2 minutes to figure that out. We didn't even have to solve the problem. Everything was done for us in our example, and just making sure we understand what we needed to do. The table can be used to estimate the quotient of. Bye, Miss Unto. We're going to be skip counting by 37, which is the following is the best estimate of the quotient. Well, look at that. They did the work for us. They've already told us that 37 times 10 gives us 370. And we know that because you drop a 0 in. Good job, class. So 37 times 20 is 740. 30 times 37 is 1110. And 40 times 37 is 1480. Now, I'm looking at this number, 851. I asked my friend Amir, where can I find 851? Would it be between 370 and 740? Yeah, so that means that the answer must be between what two numbers, Kylan? 20 and 30. So do we see an answer here that says 20 and 30? The answer is what, class? C. The answer is C. So that means our answer is from 740 between 740, 1,110. So that means our quotient has to be between 20 and 30. Good job. Let's go ahead and scroll up to number 3. Number 3, everything's set up for us. Aren't they so nice? Thank you, math book. We're doing 851 divided by 37. 851 divided by 37 is the same as 37 times unknown is equal to 851. We call that the opposite of division, which is what? Multiplication. So now we are dividing. What is 37 times 20? So if you guys don't remember, we can go back up here. What was 37 times 20? 740. You guys are some brainiacs. So I'm going to subtract from 740. And remember, the number at the top is the number that I multiply by. So 37 times 20. So now I do 851 minus 740. 1 minus 0 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. So we do have 111. They said 37 times 3. Well, I don't know what 37 times 3 is, so I guess I'm going to have to do it real quick. 37 times 3. What's 7 times 3, Liera? 21. Hey, can you do something for me? We got 3 times 3, which is what class? 9. And 9 plus 2 gives me 11. So that is correct. 37 times 3 is 111. Didn't know that, but I know that now. 111 minus 111 is what class? 0. So what number did I use to get 111? I used 3. And when you put these two quotients together, 20 plus 3, we get 23. That is my answer. So finally, 37 divided by 851 is 23. 23. Wow, division is so easy. How easy is it? Easy peasy. There we go. Which of the following equations cannot, that's an N-O-T, be used to represent an area model? So which one is not a good way to do an area model? All right, so I have a divisor, I have a dividend, and I have an unknown quotient. So if I was to write this right now, I would do 42 times the unknown equals 4,326. That's how I would write it. The opposite way. The way I could also do it is 4,326 divided by this equals the unknown. Is there another way I could write it? What's another way I could write it? Oh, I could do the opposite. 4,326 divided by the unknown equals 42. So I see this one. That one is a good one. Check. That's not the right answer. 42 plus? Wait. 42 plus. Now, is addition the opposite of division? No. Addition is the opposite of subtraction. Are we subtracting in this problem straight up? No. So I'm going to probably say that that is the answer we're looking for. This is the one that we cannot use. That's an N-O-T. No. This one is a goodie, and this one is a goodie. I like all three of those. So class, did we finish our homework? Yes. And then we put our name on it. Sounds like a no. Make sure you put your name on your homework, and your homework is due tomorrow. Don't lose, don't what? All right.